Hey there traders, hope you guys are all well. Just taking my dogs here for a walk. I'm just at a nice big park over here. Just relaxing here with my dogs. Beautiful scenery here. So I just want to show you guys a really interesting strategy that I've been using lately. Forex markets. It's really turned my trading really consistent. It's a really simple strategy. I have used it in the past, but the way that I use it now is a little bit different. And it's just provided me consistent profits week in and week out. And the beauty about it, you can use it for day trading or you can actually use it for swing trading. I use it for a bit of both. Sorry, my dogs are just messing around here. But I just want to show you the strategy in the video and just give you a little insight onto the strategy, and then we'll take it from there, guys. Please watch the video until the end, and I'm sure you're going to take some good value out of it. Catch you on the inside, guys. So traders, here is the strategy that I use week in and week out. So you can see I got in here. I'm going to show you this trade on my brokerage as well. So I got in right over here. Okay, put my stop just below the low. And I've rode this all the way now to the top over here. I'm going to show you the strategy as well. You can see if we just look back at the past year, you can see the beautiful signal here at the top, look at the beautiful signal here at the bottom. You can see these beautiful signals that it gives, allows you to catch the bottom and the top of the market on all the pairs, whether it's stocks, cryptos, commodities, indices, whichever instrument you trade. So this is on Trading View. Okay, you can see over here this is Trading View where the actual strategy is, where the system is, where I do the analysis. So I just want to show you on my brokerage account. You can see I'm up here basically 20%. See at the bottom here, I'm making just over $10,000. You can see my balance here. So before I took the trade I was on 54,000. Now I'm on 65, just over 65,000. Beautiful trade, guys. It's the exact same trade. If you look over here, exact same setup. So if you guys are interested in learning the strategy, click on the link below where you will go to my training where I teach the strategy in depth. It's a simple strategy, guys, and it will take your trading to the next level. So if you're a beginner or if you've been trading for a while, it doesn't matter. I use the strategy, guys, and I've been trading for nearly 8 years. It's just a simple strategy that you can use, but I go in more depth into my strategy and the way I trade in the training. It's well worth it, so check out the link down below, guys. Alright guys, so now it's the next day and I'm just showing you how powerful the strategy actually is. So you can see now there was a beautiful signal here from the top, and now there's a beautiful signal down here from the bottom, so a bullish signal. Now you can see if we took this trade, we'd be running at a beautiful 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio, and we'd be up about 30 pips, as you can see, about 30 pips. So the strategy does work, guys. This is live time. You can actually see the markets moving here. The clock is running here on the side. So if you're interested in the strategy, guys, the link is down below.